The body reset diet is a popular and effective approach to weight loss that has gained attention in recent years. Its main goal is to help individuals shed excess pounds by jump-starting their metabolism and resetting their eating patterns. The diet was developed by celebrity fitness trainer Harley Pasternak, known for his work with A-list celebrities. He designed the plan to be simple, sustainable, and accessible to everyone. What sets this diet apart is its emphasis on incorporating smoothies into the daily meal plan. The body reset diet consists of 3 phases, each lasting 5 days. The first phase involves consuming 3 smoothies and 2 snacks per day, focusing on a combination of fruits, vegetables, dairy, and protein. In the second phase, solid meals are reintroduced, while maintaining 1 smoothie and 2 snacks each day. Finally, the third phase gradually shifts towards a more balanced diet by consuming 2 smoothies, 1 solid meal, and 2 snacks daily. What makes this diet beneficial for weight loss is its ability to kickstart the metabolism. By consuming nutrient-rich smoothies, the body receives essential vitamins and minerals while staying within a calorie-controlled intake. This helps to rev up the metabolism and promote fat burning. Additionally, having a systematic approach with specific guidelines makes it easier to follow and stay on track. Another advantage of the body reset diet is its focus on whole foods and portion control. It encourages individuals to incorporate a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into their daily meals. By controlling portion sizes and prioritizing nutrient-dense choices, this diet can lead to a more balanced and healthy eating pattern. While the body reset diet has proven to be successful for many, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting any new diet plan. This ensures that individual dietary needs and health conditions are taken into account to achieve safe and sustainable weight loss.